Meaning of handshake.
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 Handshake. Handshake refers to the traditional act of greeting or parting by clasping hands between two individuals. It is a physical gesture that typically signals mutual respect, trust, and goodwill. Handshakes are commonly used in various settings, including business meetings, interviews, and social events. In recent times, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been a shift towards alternative forms of greeting that avoid physical contact. However, the handshake remains a pervasive and enduring cultural practice across many societies worldwide, and is likely to continue to be so for the foreseeable future.